310 million hype tokens free right now. And if your wallet's on the list, in 2 minutes you'll have money on your balance. Let's go. Quick context. Hyperliquid is a layer 1 blockchain built specifically for finance. Not just another L1, it's a fully on-chain exchange order book. Perps. Spot everything running natively on its own chain. 1 second finality, 0 gas fees. And they just launched HyperEVM, which means developers can now deploy Solidity contracts on top of this monster. Hundreds of projects are already in the ecosystem: DeFi, RWAs, lending, you name it. And right now, Hyper Foundation, the independent org behind the ecosystem, is dropping an airdrop, 310 million tokens, going to early users, traders, builders. The allocation breaks into 4 tiers: just traded, 20 hype, active traders, 70 whale with over 1 million in volume, 100 deployed contracts on HyperEVM, up to 250 tokens. At the current exchange rate, that amounts to up to $10,000 per wallet. Don't sleep on it. Alright, let me show you how it works. Open the site, link in the description. Hit check eligibility. A window pops up, paste your EVM address. The site validates the format live. If a character's wrong, the check button stays grayed out. That's protection so you don't submit garbage, pasted the address. Hit check. Look, it's scanning the chain, pulling transaction history, calculating volume, checking HyperEVM activity, matching the snapshot. Eligible my tier, trader. Allocation 70 hype. Plus it shows me why. Wallet active for 340 days, 67,000 in trading volume, 847 transactions, passed the anti-Sybil filter, fully transparent. Hit claim now. Connect your wallet, Metamask, Rabbi, any EVM wallet. Sign and done. Hype lands in your balance. Hold it, stake it, or dump it on their spot market right away. Things: the claim window is open for 7 days, miss it, and tokens go to treasury. If you claimed, drop your tier in the comments. I'll cover the stats in the next one. Like, subscribe, bell. I post fresh drops before they hit the group chats. See you.